students, class 10, exercise number 4.1, question number 7. In the figure OPRQ, that is OPRQ is a square and angle MLN is 90 degree. This triangles, the angle is 90 degrees given. Prove that we have 4 Roman numbers. These triangles are similar triangles, right? We have, see the 1 by 1 Roman number. Here we take the first Roman number in triangle LOP and QMO. We want to prove this. These two triangles are a similar triangle. See, this is LOP. This is the triangle LOP, right? And then QMO. This is the triangle QMO. We are going to see that this and this triangle. Just see these two triangle. First of all, this is 90 degree, right? So it is a square, so it is perpendicular to that line MN. Q is perpendicular to the line MN, that is OQ, right? Then it is 90 degree. Here L also 90 degree. By angle QR, we can say it is a MQO. Angle MQO is equal to angle OLP or LPLO, whatever may be, right? OLP is equal to 90 degree. First condition. Next, when we draw a line, this is a square we have said, so this OP is parallel to MN. The OP line is parallel to MN. In a triangle, if you draw the parallel line to the base, then the angles did not change. If you if you draw a triangle like this, here it is 60 degree means if you draw a parallel line to the base, means then this angle also the 60 degree. The angle did not change. The measurement of the triangle, the size of the triangle must be changed, but here the angle did not change when the parallel line is drawn. When a parallel line is drawn to the triangle, that is the base is parallel to the drawing line, then the angle must be equal. By that condition, we can say QMO, angle QMO is equal to angle POL, both are equal by OP is parallel to MN, the line MN. Here, two angle is enough to, we can say the two similar triangles are similar triangle. By AA similarity, right? Triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO, right? Now, second Roman number in triangle LOP and triangle RPN. Here, the first triangle LOP. Now we are going to take this triangle. Same condition of this triangle. This is also 90 degree. So angle R is equal to angle L, right? Simply we can write, or otherwise angle OLP is equal to angle NRP or PRN. PRN is equal to 90 degree. One of the angles are equal. Here the same condition, OP is parallel to MN. This angle is equal to this angle. The angle did not change by that parallel condition. OP is parallel to MN. So angle OPL is equal to angle RNP is equal to, the condition is by OP is parallel to MN. Here also we have proved the two angles have same. So by AA similarity, triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Next, third Roman number in triangle QMO and RPN. Let's see the diagram first. So this is the triangle QMO, this triangle, and RPN, these two triangle. Now we are going to see these two triangles are similar triangle. Now one of the condition is 90 degree, angle Q is equal to angle R, right? Another condition, here see a straight line is drawn here. This angle is equal to this angle means, and this angle is equal to this angle, right? Now this angle is equal to this angle by the condition of OP is parallel to MN. So first condition is angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to 90 degree. Here I have drawn roughly here on diagram. So angle MQO is equal to angle PRN is equal to 90 degree. R is 90, Q is 90, right? So by the condition 90, and then angle O, here this angle is equal to angle P, I already said, that is by the condition of OP is parallel to MN. So angle MOQ is equal to angle RPN, right? So which angle you are mentioning, that should be in the center place. Here Q is 90 degree, that is we are going to mention, so that should be in the center. Here R is 90 degree, that is we are going to mention, that is R is in the center. So by this two angle similarity, by two angles similarity, we can say that triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. So the fourth Roman number is we have to prove that QR square is equal to MQ into RN. The third Roman number, what we have proved, that triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN, right? First of all, we have proved these two triangles are similar. Now I take this by that condition, we can say this by the condition of similar triangle. By the condition of similar triangle, let me take it as MQ is proportional to PR, right? By the condition of similar, MQ is proportional to PR is equal to, and then QO is proportional to RN. QO is proportional to RN. So QO is proportional to RN. So let me take this. Here see that PR is nothing but, this is the OPRQ is a square that is given in your question, right? So PR is nothing but QR. PR is equal to QR because all the sides are equal in a square. So in the place of PR I am going to apply QR. See here, MQ divided by PR is equal to RQ or QR, whatever may be, and then QO is nothing but, here the QO is nothing but QR because all the sides are equal. Instead of QO I am going to take QR. See here, QR divided by RN. This can be, you can write it either in a QR or RQ. Here I take this QR. Now cross multiplication, MQ into RN is equal to QR into QR is, right? QR into QR is QR square MQ into RN. This is we want to prove that is QR square is equal to MQ into RN. Here this is our question, Roman number 4. We have to prove that QR square is equal to MQ into RN. Here we have proved. So hence it is proved. Thank you, students.